What's up, CNJ Vibers? This your girl, Candace.
This your boy, Jordan.
And today, we are back with another vibing video!
Yes, babe, I'm hyped too, and I am ready. All right, y'all, so we are cooking breaded Hooters wings.
Oh, baby.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, so, a little background. You know your girl used to be a little Hooters girl back in the day. I did.
Yes.
You knew that, right?
Yes, I knew that.
So, we were inside of the grocery store. We were in Kroger's. And I seen this. I was like, babe, we gotta try this. We gotta try this, and we gotta let everybody know what's really good with this. I actually got this, the wing sauce, from Walmart. And then the wings that we have, I'm actually going to split them because I want to kind of test something. So it doesn't say anything about using egg, you know, because egg gives that crispiness. So I'm gonna mix some of them up in egg, and then I'm gonna put them in the batter and do exactly what it says do for their wings. And we're gonna see which one we like the most, okay? It said we fixed the mix so you don't have to. So you don't have to do anything but just stir this in. But like I said, we're gonna make ours. So I'm gonna let Jordan follow the Hooters recipe, and I'm gonna follow ours. I am gonna go ahead and season the chicken. So for my seasoning, I'm going to use black pepper. And I know they say they have it seasoned, but that's what I'm saying, it's a test. We're gonna see. Tony's Creole seasoning. If y'all don't know about that, you better learn. I'm gonna use some onion powder. I'm gonna use some garlic salt.
I'm ready.
And then I'm gonna add my egg. And then you just make sure the egg is on everything, y'all.
I'm excited.
So it says to take the half a pound bag. Alright. So you're just gonna mix it up. Ooh, sorry. Mix it. So this is what my chicken looks like. And then this is what Hooters, the Hooters sauce. So then remove wings and allow them to sit refrigerated for approximately 15 to 30 minutes.
So this is the part where we remove the wings.
So if you guys love cooking videos, we definitely want you right now to give this a thumbs up and comment more cooking.
What are we cooking next, baby? What do y'all want us to cook next? We want to see, man. We want to see. We want to get y'all involved, and
cause y'all cook everything. Test me. I can cook it.
She's right.
No.
Baby, can you cook some gator?
So I am using canola oil. I like using canola oil, but I'm sure you can use vegetable oil, peanut oil, whatever oil you like to use.
Comment down below. What's your favorite oils?
Oh no. No, really. Comment down below what's your favorite oil to use for chicken.
Oh, yeah. There you go. That'll work.
I'm up for it. Alright guys, so we got our wings. We're gonna put Jordan's in first.
Oh baby, is the grease gonna be popping? I'm nervous.
I'll put it in.
You got it, baby?
Yes, just hand it to me.
They're gonna tell us to switch aprons.
No, they're not.
Here they are.
I am the queen of the kitchen. You don't know how to cook though. You can test your oil. Your oil needs to be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna go ahead and put the first batch. So now it's your girl's wings. Pour or spoon the entire jar of famous Hooters wing sauce at room temperature and shake well. Here, babe, can you shake this down?
Yo, I got good. Oh, that's another.
Good.
Oh, yeah, that's Hooters. That's Hooters. That's as soon as you walk in.
No, it don't.
Oh man, it's exciting. Oh man, yes, yes.
Gonna put these. All right, guys. So
very nice.
These look lit.
So y'all, these are the ones that I did right here.
Yes.
Okay. Now hers looks really good.
So y'all, this is what mine came out looking like. Crispy. Oh!
Shake it up right, yo. That's how you shake
Look
it up.
at this. So, let's both taste the Hooters one.
Yes, yes. Tasting mine, which is just by the book. Okay.
1, 2,
3. This is right my alley. This is the sauce that I get every time I go.
That is so amazing. Good, y'all. It tastes just like Hooters wings.
It really does.
It got like that little sweet, but like God. It is so good.
Our baby left no bird.
No. No mercy held. Come on.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Oh my God.
1.
Oh my God, this is scarlet.
2, 3.
Alright.
So, whose?
Hold on.
Honest opinion.
It depends, baby. It depends. But I would have to say,
What depend on?
my baby's packs a lot more flavor, y'all. Hers is like very flavorful.
I got crispy.
And very crispy. Now hers,
I
would say Hooters need to hit you up, but that's all I gotta say.
Alright, y'all, so go ahead right now, get this bag and this sauce. Like I said, like y'all, this is so good. Oh, now I ain't gonna lie, so next time we need to try the hot kind, because I do get hot when I go there.
And we need to try it on fish too.
Oh yeah, so you can try this on fish, shrimp, veggies, and more. So go ahead, get this batter. We will be going to go to Kroger's and getting some more. Yes. Give us a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you guys want to see more of our videos. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Y'all make sure that y'all go ahead and try this recipe. Please tell us how you guys like it. This is a little different.
It is different. It is different. It's, you know, it's different flavors, different tastes. So I'm glad we did too.
Yes.
For the variety, y'all.
Yes.
But it's either way, it's good.
Try my recipe too.
Yes, y'all, definitely.
Alright guys, thank you guys. We love you guys. We want you guys to be blessed. We are blessed. And we're gonna see you guys in the next cooking video. Peace. Bye guys. It's
hold them wings up. Hold them wings up.
Bye guys.